The agents and tools like Cursor, Replit, and VSCode don't write secure code by default. I'm going to show you a simple prompting technique called the Secure-Insecure Diff that can help you generate more secure code from the start. In the demo today, I'm going to ask the agent to write a script that takes a hostname as an input and pings it 4 times. Now it's going to run here for just a second in the background as it generates that code for me, and let's see what it made. In this case, we have a very simple script that is taking that hostname, sending those 4 pings, and that's really about it. That's exactly what I asked it to do. The technique I'm going to show you today, though, is actually a multi-step technique. So in this case, I'm actually going to ask the model to be its own security reviewer and to look at that code and make some recommendations. If this is a more complex example, I could actually consider switching the model here, for example, using Gemini as a reasoning model to help it do a deeper review. This is a really simple example, though, so I'm going to stick with ChatGPT 4.1. So I'm going to ask it to review the code for security risks and suggest improvements. All right, so now it's already got some security improvements for me, including some input validation and some additional support we might add for working on different platforms. It's going to think here for just a second more, and then I'm going to go ahead and ask it to make those changes for me. So yes, make those changes for me. We'll wait here just a second while it thinks. All right, and there we go. It's made quite a few changes, but I think the most important ones to show are right here around the host name. It's added some input validation to make sure we're not getting, symbols or other things that could maybe compromise my system. Now, if you're in a security team, you might understand that this is going to be hard to scale efficiently across your entire organization, right? Because it relies on developers to remember, to use these prompt techniques every single time. And so that's where things like rules for Cursor and VSCode come in, as well as MCP servers, which can help provide those guardrails and validation as these agents work. If you'd like to learn more about secure code prompting, you can grab the prompt library from Endor Labs.